In the contact section, we can add a mini contact list. We can create a mini contact list. These contacts basically we can utilize in creating any conference. We can use these contacts as a speaker, as a listener, as a moderator also. When we click on this section, right, we can see the contact list. Currently there is no any assigned contact in this list. To create a contact or to add any contact, we need to click on the add contact section. A pop-up will be there with the name, mobile number and other information. Now add contact. So you can see the contact is basically added in this contact list, and from now we can perform action on this. Here is the edit option. If we need to change any kind of information, we can make a change from here. And suppose if I need to remove this contact, I can delete from this. Now post contact list, let's move to the conference call section. Conference call is the tab where we can have a look on all the conference we had in past, or suppose if we have any scheduled call in the future, we can have a look on that. In the top middle we can see the total conference till now we had, right, any schedule for the day, any running currently, right. All this information we can get from here. Also from the conference call tab we can get the reporting of each and every campaign we had till now, and respective recordings we can find out from this toggle. When we click on the report section, suppose this is the conference name is test, and if I wish to see the report of this campaign, right, we need to click on the report, right, so that I can get an idea how many contact number was there, what are the contacts, what exactly their roles were, right, and any key press, any credit used, right, everything we can get it from here. And from the recording tab we can get the recordings for the respective people. Now let's move to the voice list. Voice list is basically where we can add some voice files, and we can utilize these voice in conference. Suppose if people join the conference, and that time if I need to welcome with any kind of particular prompt, so I can add that voice file in this voice file section, and I can utilize this voice in the time of conference. So currently there is no voice file has been added till now, so let's add on the voice file, right. I'm just giving the name welcome. I can choose a file from the system, but yeah, a file has to be only MP3 format. Now if I'll click on the add voice file will be added in this section. You can see a welcome has been added in this section. So that what exactly happen when I'll create the conference, I can make everyone, like whatever is the speaker, moderator, listeners, I can make them listen this voice. So now when I'll click on the search option, I can find out any of the specified voice.